Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting 1 or 2 images ready and putting them where the car Android can read them, USB, SD card, or internal storage. Once done, unlock the head unit, swipe to Settings, then tap Display and Wallpaper. You do this first because Android reads local storage differently than your phone, making the file accessible prevents errors later. Make sure the image meets aspect and size expectations so it won't be stretched. This speeds the next steps and avoids surprises. You now choose the image and prepare it for display. Tap Choose Wallpaper, then pick the source, internal storage, USB, or gallery. Once selected, use the crop tool to frame the important area. Lock the aspect ratio if you want consistent results across rotations. You should preview on both the home and lock screens to ensure UI elements aren't obscured. If the unit offers simple edits like brightness or auto-enhance, apply them now so the wallpaper looks correct under daylight and night. You finish by applying the wallpaper and verifying the result. Tap Set Wallpaper, choose Home, Lock, or both, then return to the launcher to confirm placement. If the image didn't apply, unmount and remount the drive or clear the gallery/media storage cache and try again, because cached thumbnails sometimes block updates. If problems persist, reboot the head unit and check for firmware or launcher updates. Incompatible launchers or outdated firmware are common causes, and a quick update often results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.